my next question, that like, what is, like, does it bother you after a certain age?
It used to bother me till about 2 years ago. It was bothering me a lot that, women who are in their late 30s are now expected, or mid to late 30s, are expected to and being asked generally to play mothers of children who, they're not biologically able to produce.
To produce, yeah. I mean, like a 35-year-old
can't be a mother of a 25-year-old child, right? So,
could maybe be a mother of
बच्चे में 10 साल का फर्क तो नहीं हो सकता.
So 20 तो minimum होना चाहिए.
Yeah.
Unless you're making Gilmore Girls.
I felt that जो हमारी जरा सी old, like मुझसे जो एक generation या 2 generation पहले कह लो या 1 generation पहले कह लो, like the रुबीना अशरफ हैं, सबा हमीद हैं, I feel अतीका ओडो हैं, I feel Zeba Bakhtiar हैं, I feel women like that should be asked to play mothers of in today's time of 25-year-olds and 28-year-olds.
Yeah.
And my generation, which is like Maria Vasti and Savera Nadeem and myself and Sadaf, there's so many, should be playing mothers of maybe teenagers.
Yeah.
Which would look more realistic.
Is it like, is it necessary for us to only be playing mothers?
Even if we are playing mothers, then वो characters likhe nahi ja rahe is what I'm saying. Yeah.
Okay, one thing I really, that has been kind of bothering me and like caught my attention was social media. And especially like, I think you, and like there are a lot of other veteran actresses who have a lot more recall value. When you because we've
been around for so long.
And you've done so much work, and there's an entire anthology of a body of work that you come with. But now you see like social media stars and like actors have become like, there's so much popularity on social media. And in a world where numbers talk, do you feel that you feel irrelevant?
I don't feel irrelevant, but I do feel that there is a huge chasm, and that, that our generation, my generation, and the generation that is above me, they in fact have even wider recall. So what you're talking about makes sense, because, obviously they've been working for 35 or 40 years on television. So a wider group of people would remember their work or remember them or, recognize them immediately. But no, Sabah Hamid was, in fact, I was with her the other day, and I think she said it as well. She said, "Mujhe to samajh mein nahi aata, like these kids are being paid, $1 lakh for doing a shout out. I don't even know how to do a shout out."
Yeah.
So I was like, yeah, you're right, because even I get really conscious holding my camera, my phone up. Also, we're brought up, during a time, or we were trained that way. We were trained to not talk about our work.
Yeah.
And not show off or show. Because
or have more private lives.
And keep your life private, in fact. And us zamane mein, because, print media is zyada focused tha, right? Electronic media was beginning. So journalists would come and want to interview you, and you had to be very careful about what answers you were giving to them. Ki ye na chhap jaye, wo na chhap jaye. Ab to everything is up for grabs, right? And people are actively sharing their private lives.
Because that's what's selling.
Because that's what's selling.
Yeah. And that's when
I ate here and I'm traveling here and I'm on this seat, and and they say that you shouldn't be giving out such personal information because you can get hacked and you can get whatever, they say, things like that. But yeah, it's I really don't have an answer for you, in the sense that I do feel somewhere